Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to EPSEC's online support program. Level 1 till 3, class 3, week 17. Textbook, Stepping Stones. Pages covered 42 till 44. Chapter 4. Topic, Natural, Human and Capital Resources. Resources required: laptop, computer, cell phones. Introduction. To identify the natural, human and capital resources. To define the term buying and selling. Thought of the day. Forget the mistake, remember the lesson. My dear student, this means everyone make mistakes. Mistakes are a fact of life, and whatever you learn, the lesson from your mistake is everlasting. Objective: students will be able to know about our resources, know about types of resources, to know about the buying and selling. Success criteria: keeping in view the mentioned topic, listen, understand and answer the questions. Now recap of previous knowledge. Let me know, my dear student, where do you go early in morning? Very well. Yes, school. Okay. Why do you come to school? Good. To study. Okay. From whom you get education? Excellent. From your teachers. Let me know what type of resource your teacher is. Nobody knows? Actually, beta, she is or he is human resource. Today, I'll tell you about our resources. Now, our resources. Resources are materials used to produce goods and services. Availability of resources greatly affect our region's economy. There are three major kinds of resources: capital resources, human resources and natural resources. Now, natural resources. Natural resources are raw material found in the natural environment like water, air, trees, minerals, soil, land reforms and animals are some natural resources. Now, my dear student, examples are also iron ore, gold, oil, trees, wildlife, oxygen, water, soil. These resources are limited and many are non-renewable. The second one is human resources. Human resources is the set of the people who make up the workforce of an organization, business sector, industry or economy. Examples are artist, surgeon, nurse, mechanic, bodyguard, reporter, doctor, farmer. Your teacher is also a human resource. Now, capital resources. Capital resources are man-made and can be used as material to make other goods, machines, buildings, vehicles, tools and money to start a business are some examples of capital resources. Semi-finished goods are also capital because they are used in the production of other goods and services. Example, zip used on a pencil case. Buying and selling. Sellers are people who sell objects. Buyers are the people who pay money for the objects. Another word for the buyers is consumers.
Hello, boys and girls. Today, we will learn about resources.
What are resources?
Let's find out.
A resource is something that people use to meet their needs. Think about the things you do every day. You brush your teeth. You eat food.
Yummy!
You travel from one place to another. In order to do these things, you need resources.
What kind of resources?
There are three main types of resources: human resources, capital resources, and natural resources. Human resources are people who provide a service.
A service? What does that mean?
A service is something that someone does for you. Doctors help people feel better when they are sick. They are an important human resource.
People need doctors in order to stay healthy.
That's right. Human resources are also people who make goods. Goods are things that you use, eat, or drink. Chefs are human resources that make goods for people to eat.
What about capital resources?
Capital resources are goods that are made and used to provide a service. When you go to a restaurant, you are served food. But did you know that there are special tools and equipment needed to make your food?
Like stoves?
Exactly. Stoves, pots, and cooking utensils, such as knives, are capital resources. Chefs need them in order to do their jobs.
Great! And what are natural resources?
Natural resources are things that are found on Earth and can be used by people.
We can use water, plants, and soil.
You've got it! Natural resources come from nature. They are not made by people.
How does your family use different types of resources? Let us know in the comments below.
Let's review.
A resource is something that people use to meet their needs. There are three main types of resources: human resources, capital resources, and natural resources.
Human resources are people who provide a service.
Capital resources are goods that are made and used to provide a service. Natural resources are things that are found on Earth and can be used by people.
A service is something that someone does for you.
Goods are things that you use, eat, or drink. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Recap. There are three types of resources: natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. Natural resources are raw material found in the natural environment. Human resources are people who have skills to produce and sell goods. People that sell objects are called sellers. Now this is the time for home assignment. My dear students, this is the image of your textbook, page 50. If you have the textbook, kindly fill it and send me the pic of it. If you don't have, then I'll give you the template. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word from the box. The word bank are consumer, producer, buyer, seller, service, wages. A. People who sell things are called dash or dash. B. A customer in a shop is a dash. C. Another word for a buyer is a dash. D. Companies that offer dash do not sell goods. Instead, they do things for us. E. Workers are paid dash for their skills and labor. Now question number 3. Classify the following goods or services or write them in the correct column: vegetable, haircut, car services, car battery, candles, rice, medical treatment, medicine, books, teaching, library. There are 2 columns given to you. Those are goods and services. You have to sort them and write them down in the correct column. Now, my dear students, always remember that we can show gratitude for Allah's countless blessing by taking care of everything we are blessed with. Thank you.